The struggles of being a self-taught digital artist or a self-taught anything for that matter. So you gotta hold yourself accountable. You gotta have your own study routine. And to make matters worse, you may not know if you're good enough at a subject to move on to the next one. And to make matters much more worse, you may not know if your study methods are effective at all.
Jesus Christ.
While I can't promise I can eliminate all your struggles as a beginner digital artist, I can at least give you one study method that has been helping me get good. And I personally believe this will ease your pain a little bit.
Possibly.
I found this cool website called conceptstart.net, which has a lot of detailed art prompt generators to choose from. So I simply navigate there, click on ideas, then click on the character basic generator. There are other alternatives like artprompts.org, but I find this website to be a bit basic. Like, it only gives you one sentence.
What?
The thing I like about concept starts generators is that they're super detailed when it comes to showing you what to include in your character design. Things like personality, age, armament, species/being, and gender.
Excuse me, it's ma'am.
Are all generated to help you get a clear understanding of what to draw. Once you get a random prompt, you can start to draw a character that embodies all of these characteristics to the best of your ability. As a matter of fact, here's something I drew with one of the prompts given to me. Okay, this is what I drew based on the prompt that I was given. I actually like how this turned out. I think this is some of my best work, to be honest. Anyways, let's go down the list and see if I captured the essence of the prompt. All right, so gender, female. I guess I nailed that. A creature. All right, so this definitely doesn't look human. It's a humanoid, but no, it's not like a human. Definitely creature type vibes, because it's a whole shark. She's got a fin on top of her head. You know, shark tail vibes. A young adult. Like, she looks pretty young. Like look at her face. Like, there's no wrinkles there. Cool. I guess she looks pretty cool. She looks pretty confident and everything. Looks pretty powerful. Special jewelry. Now, I think I didn't really nail this part. Like, there is no like jewelry whatsoever on her. Like, all she has is like some swim gear on. That's basically it. A thief. I think I could have done better on this characteristic also. Like, I could have given her like a hoodie or something like that. You know, make her look a bit more sneaky. Design theme, shark warrior. Yeah, I think this could like pass off as like a warrior type of character. In order to push that, maybe I could have given her some armor or something like that, rather than just this basic outfit we got going on. Muscular. I think I got that part down pretty good. Key feature, large muscles. Yeah, that's pretty redundant. Motive, fighting fears. I don't think this illustration like really shows like fears and like fighting fears or something like that. It's kind of just her using her power, looking cool. I'd give myself like a, I don't know, like a B-. What do you guys think? I want you guys to put a grade in the comments section. Did I nail this or what? I mean, looking for those comments, so better drop them in the comments section. Leave a comment. Helps the video. And now you're probably thinking, okay, buddy, you have a nice little cool study method, all right? You're probably feeling yourself right about now. You think you're a genius and everything, but why should I even use this method? Well, I believe by using this study method, it helps improve your visual library. Visual library, what is this, reading rainbow? What is a visual library? Well, a visual library is all the images you have in your head that you can translate into your drawings. So in a nutshell, the more stuff you have in your visual library, the more stuff you can draw from memory. Also, you practice your ability to research, reference, and draw things from observation. These skills are definitely important if you want to work as a professional character designer at a AAA studio like Blizzard or Riot Games. You know, working on titles like Overwatch or League of Legends. I mean, I would know because my mom's cousin's best friend is a janitor at Riot Games. So take my art prompt for example, a shark warrior. So naturally I would find some reference images of some sharks.
Nope.
Excellent!
I also gather some additional reference images to account for the other requirements in the prompt, and then I drop them in the PRF so I can easily view them while drawing. Furthermore, drawing from art prompts helps you test your art fundamentals. It helps you practice things like perspective, construction, line art, anatomy, coloring, and rendering. And by doing this over and over and over again, you continuously refine your drawing process, which is what the pros call a workflow. Alright, so let's say you complete your drawing, you're donezo. What's next? Like, is that it? What I personally do is observe my drawing and do a self-critique. You know, see if I can spot some things that need fixing by myself. And if I'm feeling ballsy, I sometimes drop it in a Discord art server to get some extra critique. Now, taking this information from your own self-critique and others' critiques, you now know what you need to work on in your art studies. Okay, I hope you were listening. If you weren't listening at all, then here's the Cliff Notes version. Use art prompts to improve your ability to research reference, flex your art fundamentals, improve your observation skills, and finally expand your visual library. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something from it, feel free to leave a like, leave a comment, consider subscribing to the channel. You know, I'm trying to build a family, you know, a community of artists and creators. And, you know, check out the description for some cool links and, you know, other stuff that you may find interesting. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. This is Innerman from Innerman Arts, signing off.